In Santa's park, Margaret enters and walks nervously, moving her dress and her hair. Her sister Elizabeth is with her.
Oh, I'm so nervous. I can't believe he's going to be here in a minute. But I have to stay calm. I have to be ready to talk to him. I wonder what he likes to be called.
Oh, my dear Margaret, you know I love it when you call me Mr. Pumpkin.
Oh, Mr. Pumpkin, I wasn't talking about you.
You weren't?
Of course not.
Well, who then?
Oh, you know very well who. Everyone's been talking about this for weeks. The most famous person hit at the North Pole.
Ho ho ho, definitely not me then?
Of course not. You're only famous in December. I'm talking about year round.
Well, then, let's see. It must be...
Mr. Joel Frost.
Oh yes, now I remember.
Of course you remember Mr. Frost is coming here. He's the president of North Pole Network and he's looking for his next big television star.
Hard to believe. Good old Jack is now the head of the MPN.
You are lucky to be his friend. I don't know what to call him.
My dear, I never told you this before, but I went to school with Joel. We snuck a snowball into the teacher's desk, and we were sent to the principal's office together.
I thought you told me you were the perfect student and never got in.
He made me do it.
Well, never mind that now. Does my hair look alright?
It looks like it always does.
Well, what does that mean? And mine?
Oh, beautiful, of course.
Oh, good. I know Mr. Joel is going to ask me a lot of those questions, and he's going to be interviewing plenty of others around here too. Everyone wants to be the star of their own television show.
Everyone?
Of course, the elves, the reindeer, I think there's even a group of snowmen signed up to talk to him. Oh, my easy word, his hair, Mr. Joel Frost's hair.
Now calm down, my dear sisters.
Oh, I feel faint.
It's just Joel. He put his long winter underwear on one leg at a time, just like the rest of us.
Nicholas, good to see you.
Joel, my old friend.
Nick, this is my cameraman, Ian.
Pleased to meet you, Ian.
Santa?
And these are...
Margaret and Elizabeth, of course. Well, I know you anywhere. I've heard so much about both of you. Now, I understand you're on my list.
Yes, you'd like to host your own. Let's see. A holiday home decorating show? Joel, what do you need from me? I know you're having a lot of interviews today.
You've already been a big help, my friend. I appreciate you letting me borrow your park for the afternoon.
Of course, make yourself comfortable. Anything for the big cheese of the MPN. And how about you and me together later? We can catch up. Sounds good. Joel, well, I leave you do it. Good luck, my dear.
Now, my dear sisters, I have a few questions for you. As you know, I'm looking for my next big North Pole star.
Mr. Frost, Now, none of this Mr. Frost business. Please, call him Joel.
Joel.
That's better. Are we rolling, Ian?
Rolling. These girls are beautiful. Now, Elizabeth, I understand you are passionate about holiday home decorating. Tell us, what inspires you this time of year? It's alright, Elizabeth. Just pretend like the camera isn't even here. Tell us, what creative touches do you like to add to your home at Christmas time?
Red.
Red, wonderful. Tell us more. What else?
Green.
And green, lovely. Isn't that lovely, Ian?
Lovely. They are the prettiest girls in the North Pole. That's what my friend Eric thinks.
Eric. Who is Eric? Who is he? Who?
Eric is someone in the North Pole.
Is he married? Is he handsome?
Nobody marries nowadays over the snow, and you must be handsome inside, in your soul.
Hello, look at my body. Am I not handsome? The most in the North Pole. Am I not the present you want for Christmas? It's been me. It always happens. Nobody can resist my beauty.
I am also handsome, and the most intelligent, and the richest. I am the king of the North Pole.
And the most stupid and the most conceited, a real brat.
I find him so handsome, so cute.
So do I. He is the most handsome man in the North Pole.
If I were his girlfriend, I would be the queen of the North Pole.
If I were his girlfriend, I would be the queen of the North Pole.
How can you be so blind? You're just a pair of idiots. I am handsome.
I have to do something against these silly behaviors.
Eric, you have a gift with girls. Go ahead, you're number one.
I know.
I will only give presents this year to the ugliest. The ugly ones are the most beautiful in spirit.
I am handsome and I'm kind. I am rich and generous.
He is handsome and he is kind. He is rich and generous.
Eric is more handsome. Eric is someone in the North Pole.
My boss says he is the most handsome. My friend says he is the most handsome. Definitely, I am the most handsome and the best cameraman.
Just a reminder, only the ugliest ones will get presents and will be happy during Christmas. Ho ho ho!
To have or not to have a present or a handsome boyfriend.
To have or not to have a present or handsome boyfriend.
Beauty is not goodness.
We want to be good.
Present for everybody then.
We don't want a handsome rich boyfriend anymore.
We don't want a handsome rich boyfriend anymore.
The Christmas spirit has won. Goodness has beaten beauty.
There will not be a new star in the North Pole.